In this quick video, I am going to show you how to use brass knuckles in WWE 2K25. So first of all, we need to start a match. So I want to start an Extreme Rules match 1-on-1 and then select the arena which you want. So I want to go with this arena and then start your match. So this is the main thing. Firstly, we need to select our superstar. So suppose if I want to have John Cena as my superstar, then I need to get him here. Now when you select your superstar, we need to change one thing. As you can see, I have a couple of paybacks here and I need to change one of them. So I'll simply select this payback and then we need to scroll here until we find an option of brass knuckles. So we need to scroll it here and then we'll find the brass knuckles option. You can see this is the option which is power of the punch. We need to select it and as you can see it has been added on my payback for John Cena. And then we need to confirm it and now you can choose any opponent you want. So I'm just going with CM Punk here and then start your match. And now when your match starts, you just need to beat your opponent until your signature meter gets filled and you will be able to see the payback you have just applied for your character. And there you go, you can see my signature meter has been filled and you can see the payback icon there as well, which is power of the punch. Now we just need to use it. For that, simply wake up your opponent and then use this key combination, which is RT plus Y on Xbox, R2 plus square on PlayStation and space plus I on PC. And there you go, you can see my character has successfully used brass knuckles in my match, and that's how you can use brass knuckles too. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.